back to my channel. My name is Iris and I am a professional salsa dancer. Welcome to today's tutorial about what to do with your arms, your frame, while turning. This part number 1 will be for basics and fundamentals. Part 2 of this video will be linked in the comments below and it's gonna be more advanced level. So, ready to learn what to do with those arms while turning? So am I. Let's jump right into it. Okay ladies, so the first thing you have to learn is how to use your frame. Start by rolling your shoulders up and down into your back. So when you feel this muscle coming out, that it's activated, and you know your shoulders are connected to your back. And this is maybe the most important thing you're gonna learn today, how to connect your arms to your back and the rest of your body. Step 2 is to engage your core muscles. So you roll your shoulders back, up and back, place arms in front of your body, and tighten your core muscles. Very important that your elbows are out and not hanging. Also, not spaghetti arms, but a good strong frame. Now, let's learn how to use our frame to turn. We start by swinging side to side and then using this power to turn. Okay, so you're swinging side to side and turning. Feel the force pulling you around and do not let go of your frame. Step number 2 is learning how to use styling as technique. So you want to push out, have the tops of your hands in line with your shoulder and close it in. This is gonna help you to turn. So let's try it. We have one out to the side, one arm out to the side, and it's closing. While closing, you're using your arm to go around. Same thing that we were practicing from here, okay? Again, arm to the side, rotate a little bit, and then close your arm and rotate. Other arm to the side and close it. Out and close. Now rotate. Out and close. Nice. So our feet is the base of everything happening with our technique. So it's very important that we know where to place our weight. If you imagine this being your foot, this is your heel, big toe, little toe. Your weight should be mainly placed here and a little bit here. Okay, so practicing that, go on the ball of your feet, have your weight where I just showed you, and put the heels down. With your frame, lift your heels and put them down. Bring your knees together and activate your core muscles and feel that you are in balance. Now, let's add everything together. So, we have styling and technique together. Pushing out, strong frame, and now, let's connect. While you close, you go up on the ball of your feet. So in the moment that I close, I go up on my feet. Then we can do the same with turning and putting them down again. other side, connect styling and technique. So closing on your left side, left arm and left leg together with the right, and then up on the ball of your foot. Let me show you from the side. In. Okay. Using it to turn. Again. To turn. Nice job. Okay, ladies, the second arm we're gonna learn is the arms over your head. Okay, I assume you have seen this a lot, and I want to make it more comfortable for you. So, tip number 1. I like to hold my hands. So I hold left over right. This is so I know where they are, and when I spin fast, they don't get disconnected. There are many options to this, but I recommend you while starting so you are aware of where your hands are to actually hold them. Okay? Tip number 2, make sure if it's possible for you to have your arms as in line with your ear as possible. So not too much in front and not too much back. Okay, so as close to your ear as you can. That way you have nothing holding you out of balance. Okay, so from arms out, connect them up. So for turning, grab left over right. And up. Counts. Counts can be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and down on 1. Okay, so for turning, you can go out and up, out, up, stepping to the side, and so stepping to the side and holding your arms, out and up, out and up. Okay, nice. One tip to keep in mind is to not lose your frame, is to not lose your posture, trying to keep the arms too high up. So if this is your maximum, it's better to have your chest connected to your body, okay? So don't do this. Another thing to keep in mind is that your head actually weighs quite a bit. So careful not to tilt your head down or to look up. So look in front where you're turning and keep your head leveled. It's gonna help you so much, I promise. And remember, if you have any questions, write me down below. Also, if you could please take the time to like this video and share it with your friends if you think you know someone who will enjoy this content. Also, I would greatly appreciate it if you would take the time to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free for you and it helps me a lot. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Let's put all of these arms and technique into a small turning combination for you to practice. Let's start from the basic ladies tights. So we go back on 1, 2, 3, 5. Combination. Oblique. Side, step, to turn. Again. Side, step, to turn. Let's put our first arms. So we go out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Let me show you to the front from a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Combination. Stepping out and turning, out and turning. With arms. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Combination. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. After that, let's go into a basic right turn. 1, 2, 3, turning, 5, 6, 7. With arms. 1, 2, 3. Open the left and close it while turning. 5, 6. 1, 2, with arms. Out and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you from the front. 1 basic turn. 5, 6, 7. This arm. 1, 2, 3. Connect your frame. Push out and use your technique and styling while turning. Let's put it all together from the top. 1, 2, 3. Combination. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic return. 1, 2 with styling. 5, 6, 7. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 5. Combination. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do our last part. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, turning 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, last part 5. Let's go. 1, 2. Preparation on 5, turn 6, 7. Arms out and up. Prep on 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And last part. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Last part. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Everything together. 1, 2, 3. Combination. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Basic turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Last part. 1, 2, and up. 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it with music. Nice job, ladies. Okay, so that's it, ladies. Part number 1 of how to turn using styling and technique. This will be the fundamentals video, and make sure you check out video number 2, part 2, which is more advanced. Help me share this content with ladies who you think will enjoy it. Until next time, take care, be safe. Mwah.
De la cabeza a los pies, tú pasas de mi nivel. Tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.